Good morning, students. Today we are going to take up one more problem which is on written down value method. Now previously the problems which we have solved were based on straight line method, which is also known as original cost method or fixed installment method. But today we are going to take the problem based on the second method, that is written down value method. Now this written down value method is also known as fluctuation method, fluctuation cost method or reducing balance method. Now यहाँ पे depreciation जो है, okay, the amount of depreciation will change every year, okay, it won't remain the same and it will be calculated on the written down value of the asset, okay, जो asset का written down value है उसके ऊपर ही calculation होगा. So here Saurabh brought a machine costing rupees 1,15,000 on 1st April 2016 and paid rupees 5,000 towards its installation. He writes off depreciation at 10% on written down value method every year. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो depreciation होगा it will be calculated on the written down. So once we solve the problem we will come to know how to do it. Okay, so his books of accounts are closed on 31st March every year. So on 1st October 2018, he disposed of the machine for rupees 80,000. That means he has sold a machinery. So what we have to do, give the journal entries in the books of Saurabh till 31st March 2019. Now when the machinery was purchased, it was purchased on 1st April 2016 and it was sold on 1st October 2018, but they told you to give the journal entries till 31st March 2019. So let's first calculate the depreciation. Calculation of profit and loss on sale of machinery. Okay, so first the original cost of the machinery, that is on 1st April 2016 it was 1,20,000. How 1,20,000? That is here 1,15,000 the original cost plus 5,000. Okay, जो original cost है उसका जो 5,000 उसका installation है वो add करके how much we get 1,15,000 plus installation 5,000 we get 1,20,000. Okay, इसके ऊपर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वी विल कैलकुलेट डेप्रिसिएशन. ना हाउ मच इज द डेप्रिसिएशन, दैट इज 10% पर एनम. सो 1,20,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10/100 विल गिव यू द डेप्रिसिएशन अमाउंट. कैसे 1,20,000, this is the amount of the machinery, the original cost of the machinery, on that 10% depreciation. So 12,000 is the depreciation that is calculated on the machinery for the first year, that is 1/4/2016 to 31st March 2017. Now in this method, that is written down value method, the amount of depreciation that is calculated, it is calculated on the written down value of the asset. Now ये written down value कैसे मिलेगा, जब हम लोग ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट से डेप्रिसिएशन डिडक्ट करते हैं तो हम लोगों को क्या मिलता है, वी गेट द रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू ऑफ the asset. So now the written down value on 1/4/2017 is 1,20,000 minus 12,000 will give us 1,08,000. अभी जो हम लोग नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए जो डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे, डेट इज 2017-18, इस ईयर के लिए जो हम लोग डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे, इट विल बी ऑन दिस, वो जो कैलकुलेशन होगा एंड इट विल बी ऑन दिस अमाउंट, दैट इज 1,80,000 बिकॉज दैट इज द रिटन डाउन वैल्यू. सो ऑन दिस 1,80,000 उसके ऊपर जो हम लोग डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे, दैट डेप्रिसिएशन विल बी हाउ मच, इट विल बी जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके, ये जो हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेट किया दैट इज 1,08,000, इसके ऊपर हम लोग डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे, दैट इज 1,08,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10/100. सो हमारा जो डेप्रिसिएशन है 10,800 है. सो एवरी ईयर इन दिस मेथड दैट इज रिटन डाउन वैल्यू मेथड और डिमिनिशिंग मेथड और रिड्यूसिंग मेथड जो हमारा डेप्रिसिएशन है वो रिटन डाउन वैल्यू पे कैलकुलेट होगा. सो ईयर डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर द ईयर 2018 दैट इज फॉर 12 मंथ इट इज 10,800. सो डिडक्ट 10,800 फ्रॉम 1,08,000 you will get the written down value on 1/4/2018. That is the start of the year. That is 1,08,000 minus 10,800 will give you 97,200. 97,200 is the depreciation on 1/4/2018. Now, while reading the problem, we have seen that on 1st October 2018, he disposed of the machinery for rupees 80,000. That means he has sold. So, हमारा year कब start होता है? It starts on 1/4/2018 and it will get over on 31st March 2019. ओके, सो नाउ हम लोगों को क्या करना है? हम लोगों को डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करना है. सो हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट द डेप्रिसिएशन? दैट इज 97,200 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10/100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय how many months it is used. हम लोगों ने कितने महीने उसको यूज़ किए हैं? वी हैव यूज फॉर April 2018. okay, April, May, June, July, August, September. okay, we have used for 6 months because it is disposed on 1st of October. तो October नहीं आएगा. So we have used the machinery for 6 months out of 12 months. 4, 8, 6, 0. So our depreciation is 4,860 for 6 months. okay, now हमारा जो वैल्यू है वो क्या है? on 1st October 2018 that is on the date of selling the machinery. okay, हमारा वैल्यू कितना है? 97,200 minus 4,860 will give us 92,340. okay, here there is a mistake, that is here this is depreciation for 2018. okay, not 17. तो हमारा वैल्यू कितना होना चाहिए? 92,340. बट दिस पर्सन हैज डिस्पोज द मशीनरी फॉर 80,000. सो सेलिंग प्राइस कितना है? 80,000. सो देर इज अ लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीनरी, दैट इज 12,340 इज द लॉस ऑन द सेल ऑफ मशीनरी. Now the calculation is done. Now next thing is what we are supposed to do. We have to pass the journal entries and it's very simple. First is purchase of machinery. okay, so here in the books of Saurabh journal entries, date, particulars, LF, debit amount rupees, credit amount rupees. So first जब हम लोग मशीनरी परचेज करते हैं तो हम लोग की एंट्री क्या है? मशीनरी अकाउंट और कोई भी एसेट अकाउंट टू bank account. So machinery account debit the cost of the machinery, not the installation charges should be shown separately. So only the cost of the machinery should be shown in the separate journal entry. So machinery account debit 1,15,000 to bank account 1,15,000. Narration being machinery purchase. सेकेंड इज द मशीनरी का इंस्टॉलेशन चार्जेस जो 5,000 पे किए उसका. दैट इज मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट 5,000 टू बैंक अकाउंट बिकॉज कैश इज गोइंग आउट फॉर द पेमेंट ऑफ द इंस्टॉलेशन चार्जेस 5,000. सो बीइंग इंस्टॉलेशन चार्जेस पेड. Next is that is on 2017 31st March at the year end. okay, that is the depreciation that is calculated. हम लोगों को पहले ईयर का depreciation कितना है? 12,000. So depreciation is a nominal account and it is an expense. So debit all expenses and losses. So depreciation account debit 12,000 to machinery account 12,000 being depreciation charge. Now this depreciation will be moved to which account? That is your profit and loss account debit side. So March 31st profit and loss account debit 12,000 to depreciation account 12,000 being balance of depreciation account transferred to profit and loss account. Next is the next year's depreciation, that is in the year 2018 31st March कितना किया हम लोगों ने 10,800. Again the depreciation entry, the two depreciation entries we have to pass, that is depreciation account debit 10,800 to machinery account 10,800 being depreciation charge. Now this depreciation, ये जो हम लोगों ने चार्ज किया, this depreciation will be moved or transferred to profit and loss account. So March 31st, profit and loss account 800 to depreciation account 10,800 being balance of depreciation account transferred to profit and loss account. नेक्स्ट इज 2018 अक्टूबर 1. ओके जो हम लोगों ने मशीनरी जो था उसको हम लोगों ने सेल किया था, उसके पहले हमें डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट किया था. हाउ मच वी कैलकुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन, दैट इज 4,860. सो डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीनरी अकाउंट 4,860 बीइंग डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज. नाउ दिस डेप्रिसिएशन, ये जो चार्ज करने के बाद व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू डू, वी हैव टू पास द एंट्री फॉर द लॉस, दैट इज सेल ऑफ द असेट. सो हम लोगों को लॉस आया. सो लॉस व्हाट इज दैट, दैट इज अ नॉमिनल अकाउंट एंड डेबिट द एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस. सो वी हैव टू डेबिट द लॉस. ओके बैंक अकाउंट क्यों, बिकॉज डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, कैश इज कमिंग इन फॉर, बिकॉज द मशीनरी इज सोल्ड फॉर 80,000. सो ऑन October 1 बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 80,000, लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट 12,340 to machinery account 92,340 being machinery has been sold at loss. Next is profit and loss account, because we have actually faced the loss, so that loss should be transferred to profit and loss account. So March 31st March 2019, profit and loss account debit 12,340 to loss on sale of machinery account 12,340 being loss on sale of machinery has been transferred to profit and loss account. Next, that is on March 31st, this loss we have to show it in the depreciation. The depreciation का जो loss है, depreciation जो charge किया है, not loss, depreciation जो charge किया है वो हम लोगों को profit and loss account में show करना है. So profit and loss account debit 4,860 to depreciation account 4,860 being balance transferred, being balance of depreciation account transferred to profit and loss account. So this is how you are supposed to pass the journal entry, and it's very easy to pass journal entry. Only thing you should know all the rules. Okay, अगर rules पता है तो journal entry is nothing, it's very easy.